Sheriff's Department.
Hello? Yes. Well, let's see. Eight 558-1945. Yeah, well, that's what it said my meeting ID is. Thank you.
Okay. There you go.
How you doing?
Can you hear him?
No, I can't hear anything.
Can you see me and hear me?
You know,
You cannot see me or hear me?
I can't now.
Can you see me
Yes, sir.
and you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hang on just a second. There we go. All right, and your name is?
Deanna Fisher.
Mr. Fisher.
Yes, sir.
I am Harris Blanchette. I am the Justice of the Peace here in San Jacinto County.
Okay.
You are in jail for offense for warrant number 25S14573A for the false report to a peace officer or a law enforcement employee. That's a misdemeanor class B. Do you understand the charge?
I really don't because I did not make a statement. The officer who brought me in last night, he's the same officer that came to the thing when I got stabbed, and he himself admits that I never made a statement. It was Brooks, Officer Brooks. I guess he's sergeant or something like that. He admits himself that I never made a statement.
Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay, I didn't issue the warrant, another judge did. And she took a sworn affidavit from a police officer. And now this warrant is from last year, it's not anything current.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I just need you to understand what you're charged with. I'm not saying you're guilty. I'm not even asking if you're going to plead guilty. I'm just wanting to know what the charge means.
Okay, because like I'm not guilty because I did not make a statement.
I'm not asking you if you did it. I'm asking if you understand what you charge with. Not asking if you agree with it. Just want you to understand what you're charged with. Do you understand what giving a false report to a police officer is?
I do. I used to be a jailer. I understand all of that. I did not make any.
I don't care if you made a statement or not. I'm just telling you, this is what you are charged with. And you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you.
I can't
You
afford
have
no
the right.
attorney. I can't afford no attorney. I can't afford no bail. I can't afford anything. I didn't do anything.
Stop. Let me finish and I'll ask you questions and I'll answer any questions you have, but let me finish, okay? All right? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have that attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You are not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you, and you have the right to stop any questioning or interview at any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, do you need a court-appointed attorney, or are you going to get your own attorney?
Can't afford no attorney. I have a case in Huntsville that I'm dealing with now. I've been dealing with it for 2.5 years, 3 years.
Okay, stop. TMI, too much information. I don't care about Huntsville. Now, I'm going to ask you in a minute. All right. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
Are you currently out on bond in any other place in the state of Texas?
Yes.
Is that a felony or a misdemeanor?
It's a felony.
And what is it for, and what court is it in?
It was for warrant for burglary in Huntsville.
A warrant for what?
A warrant for burglary.
Burglary?
Yeah, I don't understand that charge either because I was not there, and I have proof that I was not there.
Okay, well, that will be discussed and taken care of in the court over in Huntsville, in Walker County. All right. The judge that issued the warrant for your arrest here has set your bond at $500. Do you understand that? If you $500 bond.
I don't have $500, Judge. I can't afford $500, especially for something that I did not do.
Okay. Well, if you don't make a bond, you'll be staying in jail. And a couple of weeks from now, we can discuss a personal bond, but it's going to have to be.
That's bullshit. Didn't do nothing, Judge.
I didn't say you did. The judge that issued the warrant is saying you did, or has good
That
probable
judge is a
cause.
liar. I didn't do anything.
I didn't say you did. Do you have any other questions I can answer for you?
Who issued this warrant, Judge?
Judge Christina McGee, the Justice of the Peace in Cold Spring.
She's a liar. I did not do anything. And now it's going to cost me for something I didn't even do. If they reviewed the videos from the body cams, they would see that I did nothing. I did nothing that day. I can't afford to pay no bond. I don't have no money for a bond. I tried to call that dude. I tried to call up here when I got pulled over in Chicago, and they told me that I had a warrant and I need to get with Brooks. I called him several times. I got no call back or nothing. And then I just got tired of calling because I was not getting a call back. And then I get arrested for it. I can't afford any type of bond. I don't have money. I don't mind coming up here reporting for whatever I need to report for, but I can't afford no bond. I simply can't. My people can't. I don't have money. My people don't have money. I have nobody I can borrow from. I don't have any way of getting out. And I didn't do anything to be here. I tried to contact this guy. I tried several times to contact him. He even admits it. He didn't call back because he didn't see a reason for me to even have a warrant. This was Brooks, the same guy who brought me into this jail. He knows I didn't do nothing. And I'm sitting here. I did not do anything. I'm innocent this time. I did nothing.
I didn't set your bond. I just told you what the judge who issued the warrant set your bond at.
Okay. Okay. So you make the decision on that.
All I do is read you your rights and tell you what bond has been set in your case.
Okay.
That's all I'm doing today. I can't lower your bond because the judge who issued the warrant set your bond.
So she set the bond for a false charge. I'm falsely being accused. And what can I do about that? Legally, I have to have some type of option. Somebody has to be held accountable for falsely putting somebody in jail.
You've asked for a court-appointed attorney. The jail staff will assist you in completing that paperwork.
But until then, I'm stuck here in this jail, right?
You gonna let me finish or not?
We're gonna be rocking and rolling around here. This is not right.
Okay,
Then they're gonna have to reach and keep me in here. Yeah, I think he's done talking to me. I don't know, because like it's not making sense. I did nothing. I didn't do anything. I have to come to jail. And I'm in jail. I'm stuck in jail. Son, I'm stuck in jail. So we're gonna be rocking and rolling because I'm stuck here for no reason. And it might as well be a reason for me to be in here. It don't make sense.
I didn't wanna do all that.
I didn't do nothing though. I really didn't do shit.
Are you done with him, Judge?
Yes,
Okay. Come on, let's
He
talk
gonna tell
about
me $500 bond. I didn't do nothing.
it. So what we can do is, when it comes to that way, you're gonna go to court still, right? Then you make the date for
Judge, got Mr. Clifton here for you.
are you Johnny Clifton?
Yes, sir, I am.
Mr. Clifton, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of the Peace here in San Jacinto County. A warrant has been issued for your arrest out of, the Justice of the Peace I think in Precinct 4 issued a warrant. It's for assault, family violence, and impede breath of felony in the third degree. Do you
Mhm.
understand the charge?
Yes, sir, but I never heard anything about it.
No, I'm not saying you didn't. I'm just
Yes, sir.
asking if you
Yes, sir.
understand
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes, sir.
Well, you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney present prior to or during an interview and questioning by peace officers, attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can be used in court against you, and they'll have the right to an examining trial. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me look at this a little bit and let me see if I can figure out, maybe refresh your memory about the incident. This happened on January the 17th this year. There was an assault at 2050 South Bird Avenue, apartment 2 in Shepherd.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have the right to that examining trial. Do you understand what an examining trial is?
No, sir.
Okay, that's where you can ask the state of Texas to show the evidence they have against you
Sir.
prior to an indictment by a grand jury. Once you're indicted by a grand jury, you lose that right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now, do you need a court-appointed attorney, or you're going to get your own?
Oh, I probably need one. I don't believe I can afford one right now. I just started a new job.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
All right. And are you currently on a bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No, sir.
Okay. Hang on just a second. I want to check something. Okay. Your bond is set at $10,000.
Yes, sir.
Have any questions?
Anybody can I get out today?
If you can make that $10,000 bond, you can. Yes, sir.
$10,000.
Yes, sir. Do you know how to make a bond? You remember made a bond before?
No, sir. I don't have $10,000.
Well, sir. Well, a bondsman, he will charge you a percentage of that if you want him to put up his 10,000, or you can put up your 10,000. So you might want to contact the bondsman, see what he'd charge you for a $10,000 bond, and then work it from there.
Yes, sir.
All right. Any other questions I can answer for you?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.